In this video, we'll show you the easy way to unhide rows in Excel. So we have in front of us an Excel spreadsheet with a couple of hidden rows. How do we know they're hidden? It's because the rows count goes from 7 to 10. So 8 and 9 must be hidden because you can't just delete rows. So the way you unhide them is to select the row directly above and below by clicking here and dragging downwards. So now both of those rows are selected. Right clicking either one of these with the mouse and select unhide. And that's how you do it. The method is exactly the same for unhiding columns as well. So if this one was hidden, you just select the two and click unhide. There you go. If you want more help, the next thing to do is visit our website at Spreadsheets.Pro. We offer professional spreadsheet services to help you repair, upgrade or create new spreadsheets in Excel and Google Sheets. We also have a tutorial blog aimed at beginners and small business owners, and we have a selection of ready-made, free and premium spreadsheets available to download.